To send money via Zelle using email, you will first need to ensure that you have a bank account or credit union that supports Zelle. You can check the Zelle website to see if your financial institution is a participating member. Once you have confirmed that your bank supports Zelle, you can proceed to enroll in the service. This typically involves going to your bank's website or mobile app and selecting the option to enroll in Zelle. You will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address. And you will also need to create a password for your Zelle account. After you have enrolled in Zelle, you can send money to anyone with a valid email address. To do this, you will need to log in to your bank's website or mobile app and navigate to the Zelle section. You will then need to enter the recipient's email address and the amount of money you want to send. You will also have the option to add a memo or note to the transaction, which can be helpful for keeping track of the payment. It is essential to make sure that you are sending money to the correct email address, as Zelle transactions typically cannot be cancelled once they have been initiated. You should also be aware that Zelle transactions are usually completed within minutes. So you will need to ensure that the recipient has enrolled in Zelle and has a valid bank account or credit union to receive the funds. In addition to sending money via email, you can also send money using the recipient's mobile phone number. However, using email can be more convenient in some situations, especially if you do not have the recipient's phone number or if you need to send money to someone who does not have a mobile phone. To receive money sent via Zelle using email, the recipient will need to enroll in Zelle and link their bank account or credit union to their Zelle account. They will then receive an email notification when someone sends them money, and they can follow the instructions in the email to claim the funds. Overall, sending money via Zelle using email is a quick and convenient way to transfer funds to friends, family, or businesses. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary precautions to ensure that you are sending money to the correct recipient, you can use Zelle to make fast and secure transactions.